I extend a warm welcome to all to this new video. Basically, we are studying computational physics. So in this lecture, I am going to explain you some simple graphic commands. So let us move towards it. So there are some geometrical shapes that we are going to draw by using C languages. In last video, I explained you those. One of them is what pixel. Pixel is a point on your any kind of display devices. Or your display can be made up of this small pixel, group of pixel or point. Okay. So pixel is a point. So the pixel can be drawn or the pixel can be provided by using the instruction get pixel. So get pixel is a instruction or statement which provides the location of a point by using x and y coordinates, because a point required both coordinates. Okay, so the syntax for the same command or instruction is get pixel in bracket int x int y. These are two values which are used to represent the pixel. So pixel can be located by using this instruction. Next one is put pixel. Once you get the coordinates x and y, you have to put that pixel, you have to fix the location or plot that pixel by using the command put pixel. Okay, the statement put pixel. So this is the function basically which plots a point on the screen having the x and y coordinates, as well as the color for the same can be provided by using this statement. How? Let us see the syntax. So this is the syntax. Put pixel. You have to write the syntax in the same manner. Okay, in bracket, what is that? Int x. That is what? X coordinate. Int y. Y coordinate. Int pixel color. Here you require the comma which is missing here. Okay, you just remember. Int pixel color. It provides you the color of pixel that is plotted by using this put pixel statement. Okay. Now let us move towards the next function, and that is what? Move to. You just remember one thing here. In C language, the statement can be written by using the English like words. So you get the meaning by using the syntax itself. For example, get pixel. Here you get the location of the pixel. Put pixel. P-U-T, put. Put pixel means you can put the pixel on your screen. That means you can plot the pixel. Similarly, move to. This syntax contains the instruction itself. What is meant by move to? That means something is moved in at somewhere. Okay, something is moving here. That's why the name of the statement or the function is move to. Okay, so see, this function moves the current point to the new position defined by x and y coordinates. Okay, the current position can be shifted or moved to the new values which are defined by x and y new coordinates. So see the syntax. Here you have the syntax is like this: move to. That means initially the point which is lies anywhere, it is moved to the defined value x and y. So move to, where it is moved to the integer x and integer y. These are the new coordinates where the previous one can be moved. Okay, so line. Now again I am going to repeat the same statement. That is what the graphics in C used to draw some geometrical shapes. Okay, so here I am going to explain you the function which is used to draw a line. Okay, so see, line function, line empty bracket is there, brass is there. So this function draws a line from x0, y0 to xy point. So x0 and y0 are the initial coordinates, xy are the final coordinate. So line can be drawn from these values to this value. And this is the syntax. You just see the syntax. Line 2. Okay, syntax line 2. int x0, int y0, int xy. That means x0, y0 are the initial points of the lines and int xy is the final point of the line. So get it this? Okay, now let us move towards the next point, that is polyline. Poly means many. The polyline gives the number of lines using line_rel function. So this is the line_rel function which gives you the multiple lines. It draws a line in a graph mode from the current position to the new position that is specified by distance away dx and dy, where dx is the distance along x-axis and dy is the distance along y-axis. Okay, this is about the polyline. The next geometrical function is what? Circle. So to draw a circle you have to use this function. Okay, that means this function gives the circle on the screen with the center x, y and having a radius defined by integer radius. How? Let us see the syntax. Below that you have the syntax. Syntax is like this: circle in bracket int x, int y. It must be y. Okay, instead of t it is what? Y. Int x, int y and int radius. So x and y provides you the center of your circle and integer radius provides you the radius of the circle. How? Let us take an example. Okay, so see here. This is the example: circle in bracket 200 and 100. So as I told you, x and y, the integer x and this is integer y and this is integer radius. Integer x and integer y provides you the center of the circle. So that is shown here. The circle has a center 200 and 100. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So your pixel center is fixed here at this point on your screen. Okay, and the circle can be drawn with the radius of 75. Hence from this center, by taking this distance of 75, the circle can be drawn on your monitor or display that you are using for your programming. Okay, so this is the example. Now let us move towards the next point, that is what? Arc. This is again new geometrical function. This function draws a circle having, here you have the draw. Okay, this function draws a circle having the coordinates x and y at the center, similar to the circle. The starting angle and the ending angle is given by ST angle. This is the starting angle and the ending angle is given by end angle. So this is the end angle which provides you the end angle of your arc. How? So the radius of arc is defined by int radius. That shows, that means what? It is similar to the circle. Circle also have the coordinates x and y for the center and it uses the integer radius for the radius to draw a circle. So with this, the additional part is what? Starting angle and ending angle which is included in arc. म्हणजे सर्कल सारखंच आहे. सर्कलमध्ये एक्स वाय आपण सेंटरसाठी वापरतो, इंटिजर रॅडियस आपण रॅडियस घेऊन सर्कल ड्रॉ करतो. मग याच्यात ॲडिशनल जास्तीचं काय आहे आर्कमध्ये? तर स्टार्टिंग अँगल आणि एंडिंग अँगल डिफाईन केलेला आहे. ओके ओके सी. मग आपण सिंटॅक्स बघूया. मी तुम्हाला मागे सांगितले सिंटॅक्स म्हणजे काय, आपण सीमध्ये कमांड प्रोग्रामिंगमध्ये कशी वापरणार आहोत त्याचं प्रेझेंटेशन म्हणजे काय? सिंटॅक्स. सो सिंटॅक्स कॅन बी गिवन बाय दिस. Okay, this is the syntax arc because the function is arc, hence arc. So you must remember one point here. या ठिकाणी काय केलं आपण पॉवरपॉईंटमध्ये लिहितोय त्यामुळे काही स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स आहे. तसं हा जो आर्क आहे ना त्याचा ए कॅपिटल नको आहे आपल्याला, स्मॉल हवा आहे. ओके, पण तो ह्या टायपिंग एडिटिंगमध्ये कॅपिटल झालेला आहे. सो इट मस्ट बी स्मॉल. ओके, आता ब्रॅकेटमध्ये काय आलं? INT(x), INT(y). What is mean by INT(x), INT(y)? This represent the center of your circle. INT ST angle, INT end angle. It provides you the starting angle, it provides you the ending angle. With INT radius means it provides you the radius. Okay, so this is what arc. Arc can be drawn like this. Let us take one example here. Arc in bracket 100, 100, it represents x coordinate, it represents y coordinate. Then 0 and 90, 0 represents starting angle of arc, 90 represents ending angle of arc, and 30 is what? Radius of your arc. So see here, 100, 100, okay, so 100, 100 is the center of your arc. So this is your center with x and y coordinate, okay. 0 is the starting angle, so here you have the starting angle of your arc, okay. So starting angle is 0 or 360, you know that starting, and here you have this 0, okay. Ending angle is what? 90. So this is your arc, okay. This is what? Arc, because 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Radius is 30, so arc can be represented by this. This is your arc with starting angle 0, ending angle 90, radius 30, and this is your center. So arc can be represented by with this, okay. So let us move towards the next statement or function, and that is what? Ellipse. So what is the ellipse function? It draws the ellipse on your screen having the center x and y. The starting angle and the ending angle is given by ST angle and end angle, okay. So this is your start angle and end angle. X radius and y radius gives semi-major and semi-minor axis of ellipse. So you know the characteristics of ellipse, what is required, that is given here. So let us take the example. Ellipse साठी काय काय लागतं तर सेंटर लागेल, स्टार्टिंग अँगल लागेल, एंड अँगल लागेल, एक्स रॅडियस लागेल आणि एक वाय रॅडियस लागेल. म्हणून इलिप्सचं स्टेटमेंट इथे सिंटॅक्स बघा. इलिप्स इन ब्रॅकेट अँटी एक्स अँटी वाय, दिस प्रोव्हाइड्स यू द सेंटर ऑफ इलिप्स. This is starting angle, this is ending angle, x radius and y radius. So let us take example of the ellipse. Okay, now see the ellipse in bracket 150, 100. Okay, this is the center of the ellipse. It is given here 150 and 100. Get it now? 0 is the starting angle. So here you have the starting angle. Okay, 360 is the ending angle itself. So here you have the ending angle. Okay, 75 is the x radius. This is the x radius 75, and this is your y radius. So this represents your ellipse. Okay, get it now? Okay, so let us move towards the next point, that is what? Rectangle. So the rectangle is a function which is used to draw the rectangle on the screen using the current drawing color and thickness of the line. Left and top points gives the one corner point, and right and bottom points gives the other point. Okay, rectangle, this is the syntax. Rectangle in bracket int left, int top. As I told you, int left and int top provides the one corner and other corner. Okay, this is int right and int bottom. This integer provides you the left top, right and bottom corner of your rectangle. Okay, so this is the example here. Okay, this is a function rectangle. What is written inside the bracket? Int left. So int left provides you the left and top points. So this is left and top point which is shown here, 150. This is the left and top corner. This is what? Int right and int bottom corner. So 250 is the right and 150 is the bottom corner. So here you have the bottom corner. So see, ह्या ठिकाणी हे 150, 250, 150 का घ्यायचं आहे? कारण सपोज आता ह्या ठिकाणी बघा, हे तुमचं डिस्प्ले आहे. ह्या डिस्प्लेला तुमचे हा पूर्ण डिस्प्ले कशाने बनला आहे? पिक्सेलने. ओके, मग पिक्सेलला सुरुवात केली 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 100 पर्यंत. परत 100 पासून का 101 102 म्हणजे पूर्ण हा जो मॉनिटर किंवा डिस्प्ले हा पिक्सेलने तयार झालेला आहे. मग ह्या पिक्सेलचा 100 पिक्सेल आणि 50 पिक्सेल हे पिक्सेलचाच नंबर आहे. हा 150 काय? हा पिक्सेल, हा पॉईंट, हा जो पॉईंट आहे ना डिस्प्लेचा, हा पॉईंट कुठे आहे? तर हा 100 आणि 50ला आहे. 100 कुठं झाला? लेफ्ट पॉईंट, आणि हा काय झाला? टॉप पॉईंट. याचा कॉर्डिनेट आहे एक्स वाय कॉर्डिनेट, आणि हा 250 150 काय झाला? राईट आणि बॉटम. म्हणजेच काय? तर तुमचा खालचा बॉटमचा पिक्सल म्हणजे पॉईंट झाला. तर अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला काय मिळाला, रेक्टँगल, हे कोऑर्डिनेट्स वापरून. ओके, लक्षात येत आहे. सो लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड्स द बार. दिस इज द फंक्शन विच इज यूज टू ड्रॉ अ बार विथ द कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स x and y and x1 y1. Syntax is like this. So here you have the syntax. See, int x, int y provides you the xy coordinates or xy points, and int x1, int y1, this integer values of x1 and y1 provides you the coordinates of x1 and y1. Get it this? For example, see here, this is the example. What is that bar? Okay, integer x, integer y, which provides you the this corner, topmost corner, 150. Get it now? 150, 250 is the x1, y1 coordinate. We provide the bottom point 150 and 250, and this is what a bar which can be drawn on your display by using the function bar. Polygon. So polygon draws the outline of polygon. This function draws. Okay, the number of points to be joined and an array giving their viewport relative coordinates. This is the syntax. See here, what is that? Number of points to be joined and array giving their viewport relative coordinates. This is the number of points which provides us the which you are going to draw. Okay, number of points and int polypoints provides you the relative coordinates. How? Let us take the example. Okay, see. Okay, see, this is the triangle. So these are the multi points, number of points. This is what polypoints, number of points. Okay, poly means many. Poly means what? Many. Many points are there which represents a triangle. Okay, so here triangle can be defined by these multiple points, and the polygon can be drawn. Okay, like this polygon, number of points, how many points are there for the polygon? 4. Okay, and multi points, polypoints can be defined by this int triangle, hence triangle is there. म्हणजे काय, हे वेगवेगळे पॉईंट्स लिहिण्यापेक्षा आधी काय केलं, ट्रायंगल वापरून हे पॉईंट्स पॉलीपॉईंट्स डिफाईन केले आणि ड्रॉ पॉलीमध्ये फक्त ट्रायंगल हा व्हेरिएबल शब्द घेतला आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जो ॲरे मल्टिपल नंबरचा ॲरे तो इथे डिफाईन केलेला आहे. ओके, सो लेट अस मूव toward get x and get max function. This function gives the maximum value of x in the current graphics mode and maximum value of y in the current graphics mode. So to get the maximum values of x and y, we have to use get max function. Syntax is like this: x1 get max x. So x1 is what? Here you just observe, x1 is what? Maximum value of x which is represented by x1, maximum value of y can be represented by y1. Okay, so these are the syntax which provides you the maximum values of x and maximum values of y, where x1 and y1 be the maximum values of x and y coordinates. Close graph. So this is the function which is used to close the graphic system. So this statement, close graph, can be used like this. So to terminate any graphic system, you have to use the instruction, the statement close graph, which ends or which closes the graphic system. It is quite simple. Set color. This function sets the drawing color as specified by variable color. So as I told you, मी आत्ताच तुम्हाला सांगितलं की प्रत्येक स्टेटमेंटमध्ये त्याची डेफिनेशन आहे की ते स्टेटमेंट काय करेल, क्लोज ग्राफ काय करेल, तो ग्राफिक फंक्शन क्लोज करेल. सेट कलर, तो काय करेल तर कलर सेट करेल. येतं हे लक्षामध्ये. ओके, सो सेट कलर सेट्स द ड्रॉइंग कलर. सो सिंटॅक्स इज लाईक दिस: सेट कलर int color. Here the color integer value is given, so according to that value the color can be set. So the values are like this. Let us take one example first. Set color 4. The integer value is 4. If this instruction is used, then the color red is set. So there are possibilities of color values which are fixed for C programming, and that are like this. If you use the number 0, then black color is set, 1 blue, 2 green, 3, 4, 5. So according to the number, the corresponding color can be set. Okay, so it can be set according to this possible color values. These are the integer used to define the possible color. For example, if the set color 11 is there in bracket, then light can is used, 12 is in bracket, then light red is used. So this is the about set color. Clear device. This is the function which clears the screen in your graphics mode. Okay, suppose on your display there are different figures are drawn. If you want to clear that display, then you have to use the instruction clear device. Okay, so filling image. This sets fill style function is used to fill pattern and fill the color. Syntax is void set fill style in bracket anti pattern anti color. So void, this is a void statement which state fill style. ओके, पॅटर्न कुठला असेल, कलर कुठला असेल, मग तो कसा घेणार त्याच्यासाठी हा टेबल आहे. ओके, सपोज आता ह्या ठिकाणी बघा एम्प्टी फिल असेल तर व्हॅल्यू काय असेल तुमची 0 अँटी पॅटर्नला, आणि कलरसाठी मी मगाशी सांगितलं त्याप्रमाणे तो कलर 15 पर्यंत. सॉलिड फिल असेल तर इथे काय येईल 1 येईल. लाईन फिल असेल तर 2, म्हणजे तुमचा जो जॉमेट्रिकल पॅटर्न तुम्ही ड्रॉ केलेला आहे, सपोज सर्कल केलेला आहे, त्या सर्कलला जर मला सॉलिड फिल करायचं असेल तर मी त्याच्या खाली इन्स्ट्रक्शन वापरेल व्हाईट सेट फिल स्टाईल अँटी पॅटर्न आणि कलर. समजा मला त्या ठिकाणी रेड कलर करायचा आहे, ओके, आणि सॉलिड करायचं आहे सर्कल, तर मी काय वापरेल व्हाईट सेट फिल स्टाईल, ओके, 1 and 4, म्हणजे तुमचं सर्कल काय होईल सॉलिड म्हणजे कम्प्लिटली फिल होईल, आणि कलर कुठला असेल रेड असेल. ओके, सो दिस इज अ टेबल यूज टू फिल द पॅटर्न. सो थँक यू व्हेरी मच. These are all about the graphic tools and graphic statements that we are going to draw or to any kind of graphics or any graphical model on your screen. So let us stop now.